Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for collagen. We'll cover everything from selecting the best bones to the final storage. This nutrient-dense liquid is packed with beneficial collagen, which supports your gut, joints, and skin. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, 12 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to get started. First, for a richer flavor, roast your bones. Spread about 2 to 3 pounds of beef or chicken bones on a baking sheet and roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Once roasted, transfer them to a large stock pot. Add your chosen vegetables, like carrots and celery, along with aromatics such as bay leaves and peppercorns. Then, cover everything with 12 cups of cold water and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now, bring your pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once it starts to bubble, reduce the heat to the lowest setting, ensuring it maintains a very gentle simmer. For chicken bones, aim for 12 to 18 hours. For beef bones, 20 to 24 hours is ideal. During the first hour, regularly skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface to ensure a clear broth. After simmering, let the broth cool slightly before carefully straining it through a fine mesh sieve into a large bowl. Discard the solids. Once strained, allow the broth to cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate it overnight. This allows the fat to solidify on top, which you can easily remove. Store your finished broth in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.